guys, this is WE Trains, and I'd like to thank you all for getting me to 1,000 subscribers. As a reward, I will be doing a WE Trains Q&A. I will be taking up questions from the moment this video is published until October 25th so I can answer these questions, upload the video, and have it premiere on November 2nd. I will be answering any railroad related questions and maybe include some funny questions. If there are many questions on one topic, then I'll include it as one topic altogether. Questions that I will not be answering are anything about me personally, my uploading schedule, or anything inappropriate. Also, I will be not answering any questions about Virtual Railfan. I have been told by a Virtual Railfan staff member to no longer post their content. I will not post their content because that may lead to the termination of my channel. If you want to submit a question, you can comment down below in this video. You can comment on a community post that I will be posting specifically for the Q&A, and I will also do a Facebook post where you can also ask some questions. Anyway, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.